Type in AWS onto Google and click on the link, or go into the link in the description, click on create a free account, and then just go ahead and input your information. Click on personal account for personal projects, do not click on business, and you can read the terms and services, but I'm not going to. So just type in your billing information. Will not charge you, it's just to make sure you have an actual credit card. And then go ahead and click on the verify and continue step. So you need a phone number for this, so I'm just going to put in my phone number and fill out the CAPTCHA down there. So it's going to send you a number that you're going to have to put into the verify code area. So I'm just going to quickly do that now. Next, make sure to choose basic support free. This is free and will not cost you anything. So now that you've created an account, you can go ahead and sign into the console. So first thing, choose root user, and then put your email in, and then complete the CAPTCHA. And finally, type in your password. Congratulations, you just created and signed into an AWS account.